Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me applying makeup on my niece. So going in with the Balm eyebrow pencil in dark brown, I'm going to be filling in Eileen's eyebrows. Her eyebrows are already pretty full, but I'm just going to fill in any naked areas that she might have. So I'm just going to lightly flick the eyebrow pencil in those areas. Going in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set in clear, I'm just going to set her eyebrows so that they stay in place all day. Going in with the Morphe Concealer in Oats with the Makeup Shack concealer brush, I'm just going to clean up under her brow and bring down the concealer so we can use this as our eyeshadow primer. Okay, so now going in with the Urban Decay Back Talk palette and using the shade WTF, I will be blending this in her crease with the MODA blending brush. So just lightly blending the shade in her crease and her inner eye, making sure that it's all over her lid and crease area. Okay, so now going in with the shadow shields, I'm going to be applying them to her eye because we will be using glitter and I want it to catch any glitter or eyeshadow fallout. Now going in with the Violet Voss palette, I will be picking up this shade right here and blending that in her crease. She was looking down, so I just had her tilt her head back so that I can get to her crease area a lot better. So if you have a client and they're looking down at their phone and you really want to get in that crease area, just tell them like, hey, can you just please tilt your head back so that you can just get those colors blended in the crease and have her eyeshadow looking poppin'. So just blending that in her crease. Now going in with this vanilla shade right here, I'm going to be applying that underneath her brow bone, just making sure that it looks crispity crunchy. Now going in with a mini tapered blending brush, I'm going to be applying this wine color in her crease and her inner eye, just making sure that it's well blended and ba-boom. Now going in with the Makeup Shack crease brush, I'm just going to make sure that everything is well blended, picking up more of that wine color. Now going back in with the Morphe Concealer in Oats, I will be applying this to her eyelid using the Makeup Shack concealer brush. So I'm just going to apply this to her lid. Then I'm going to have her look up to see if any transfers, to see if I have to go higher with the concealer or where I placed it was fine. So now I'm just going to clean up the entire lid and make it really nice and crispity crunchy. Now going in with the Too Faced glitter glue, I'm just going to be applying this on her lid. Then going in with Antique Peak glitter, I'm just going to tap the glitter on her lid. Do not swipe, do not try to go really fast, and just pack. Just go very slow, take your time, and just dab the glitter on the lid. Now going back in with this wine shade and the Makeup Shack crease brush, I'm just going to blend the shade in the crease because the glitter covered that. So I'm just going to go back and add the shade in the crease to make sure that it pops and makes a statement. Now going in with the Morphe Gel Liner in Jet, I'm going to be applying this with an eyeliner, with an e.l.f. eyeliner brush, and I will be using the Balm liquid eyeliner as well. These both dry matte, so it just really just makes the eyeliner look poppin' and very, very sharp. I love it. These two combos I've been loving lately. Now using the Morphe Concealer in Oats, I'm just going to clean up the eyeliner just to make everything look really nice and sharp. I really love how this makes the eye look. Do you see? Just looks really crispy and crunchy. Now using some eyelashes in 630 Salon Perfect, going to have her apply her mascara and then I will be applying the lashes. See how good she looks? Look at, ooh. Okay, do you guys see how intense that black eyeliner is? I'm freaking loving it. Okay, so going in with Marula Oil from Drunk Elephant, I will be applying this to Eileen's skin. She has dry skin, so when I go in with Marula Oil, it really just hydrates her skin and it just makes it look very nice and poppin'. Now using a new product from LA Girl Cosmetics, I'm so excited. This is the Luminous Glow and Afterglow. I will be applying this above her eyebrow and to her cheekbones and just blending that in. It's just going to give her a really pretty glow, make her skin look very, very healthy and dewy, and just it's going to look gorgeous, you guys, trust me. So we will be going in with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in light tan, and I'm just going to apply it all over her face and then go in with the Makeup Shack Beauty Sponge, and I'm just going to blend that in, making sure that it's well blended. Anything that you put on your face, you guys, make sure that it's blended, okay? Blend, 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 blend. Okay, now going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in light medium, I will be applying this underneath her eyes, nose, chin, and forehead, and just blending that in with the Makeup Shack Beauty Sponge. Now going in with the Measurable Difference 6 Cream Contouring Palette, I will be chiseling her nose, forehead, and applying contour to her cheek area. Making sure it pops, looks really nice. Then using the MODA Pro Chisel by Royal and LANGNICKEL. This is my favorite brush to blend out contour. It does amazing. She's really happy with the results. So this is a must brush. I feel it's amazing and blends like magic. Now for the nose, I'm just using the LA Colors Crease brush. Going in with the Peach Perfect Too Faced setting powder, I'm just going to apply this underneath her eye, forehead, nose, chin, and to her smile lines right here. They're not really intense because she's very, very young, but I apply them there because foundation tends to crease in that area for her. Now going in with the Bahama Mama bronzer, I'm just going to apply this to where I contoured. Going in with the Morphe contouring palette, I will be using that shade right there to chisel her nose. Now going in with the L'Oreal Infallible pencil in brown, I'm just going to apply this to her waterline. Then going in with the Makeup Shack smudge brush, I'm just going to smudge that out just to give the under eye just some smokiness. Now going in with the Persona Zuma highlighter. This is so freaking beautiful, you guys. So I popped it into her inner eye, underneath her eyebrow. It's so beautiful and it really complements her skin very, very well. Now using the Royal and LANGNICKEL highlighting brush, my favorite brush to highlight, I'm just going to highlight her face. It's so beautiful. Look at, highlighter is popping. Now using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, boom, done with the face. Not lips yet. Okay, now for hair, going in with some heat protectant, I'm just going to spray Eileen's hair. It's pretty thick, I'm so jealous. So just spraying her hair, making sure that I get it very good because I don't want to damage her hair. Now I'm just going to part her hair, put it in a liga, and then get to curling. Now using this wand right here, it's one of my favorites. It's so pretty. I love the way the curls come out. It heats up very fast and gets the job done. So I'm just going to curl her hair, wrap her hair around the wand for 5-10 seconds, then take it down and boom. Look how beautiful that curl looks. So now since this side is done, I'm just going to spray it with some L'Oreal Paris hairspray. I'm just going to spray it. This hairspray smells so freaking good. So here's the before and after. Ba-boom. I love it. Okay, so her hair is now done. I'm just going to spray her bangs just to keep them in place. And she's using the Morphe Liquid Lipstick in Jealousy. It really complements her skin very well. And I'm just going to add a little bit of highlighter to her shoulders. And I am done, you guys. Yeah. And we're done. That's really nice. Okay, now we're going to go take pictures. Oh, wait, let me get out of the way. Okay, now say you're cute. Bye. Oh, my God.
Stop.
Charlie, freaking kill me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Okay, we're not using those. I got a tiny ass baby forehead.
I just noticed that.
I have a tiny forehead?
A tiny baby ass forehead.
Well, I feel like my forehead looks huge.
I don't know. Oh, where's the...
I like the glitter.